Der, die, das. The three articles in German, respectively for masculine, feminine, and neutral. Every noun in German has an article. How many do you know? At least the common ones. Let's see. How many do you remember? Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German for Beginners. In this video, we will be doing an article test. That means you will have to guess the article for 25 different nouns. Article. See the word and you will have 3 seconds to name its article. After 3 seconds, the answer will be displayed. So, let's begin. House. Buch. Schloss. Bleistift. Ball. Nase. Eis. Tasche. Schuh. Löwe. Spinne. Fisch. Gericht. Baum. Erde. Knoblauch. Ei. Fußball. Gitarre. Flugzeug. Uhr. Leiter. Obst. Kirche. Handy. That's it. So these were 25 nouns whose articles you had to guess. How many did you get correct? If you need to practice it again, you can do that by playing the video again. For patrons, there will be no transcript, extra worksheet, or podcast or summary for this video. However, we do have a free worksheet for everyone. $5 patrons can get an early access to this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can let us know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!